Good day everyone! Ngayon tuturuan namin kayo kung paano gumawa ng PowerPoint presentation at mag-input ng mga pictures, videos, and hyperlinks dito. So syempre, una natin gagawin is open natin itong PowerPoint app. And then next, pwede tayong pumili sa mga pre-made templates na dito or pwede tayong gumamit ng blank presentation kung gusto natin ng own customized design. In this case, gagamit tayo ng blank presentation.
First step is we will name the presentation. May presentation. After that, we will add new slide where we will put your picture.
In the next step, for the first slide, we need to click insert, and on the left side you will see the picture, then you need to click it, and after that you'll see the picture from files, then the insert picture dialog box will appear.
After that, locate the picture in the folder where your picture are saved. Select the file and click Insert. To resize the picture and video, you should click and drag the corner handle. And to adjust the picture, press the right click and then select the Format Picture. You can adjust the brightness of the picture and video, and you can also crop it.
Ngayon alam na natin kung paano mag-add ng picture sa PowerPoint. Ngayon naman ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-input ng video sa PowerPoint. So first step is mag-add muna tayo ng new slide. Dito sa home, click nyo lang siya. And then dito is makikita nyo itong new slide. Click nyo lang siya and then blank option. Ngayon may paglalagyan na tayo ng video natin. Balik tayo dito sa may insert. And then sa upper right side is makikita nyo itong video button. Click nyo lang siya and then select nyo yung video or on my PC. Pwede rin kayo mag-select ng online video. Pero in this case, video on my PC yung gagamitin natin. So hanapin nyo lang yung file na gusto nyong i-add or yung video file na gusto nyong i-add. In this case, ito yung sa amin. And then click insert. So ayan na yung video na gusto nyong i-play. Dito naman sa may playback option sa taas is pwede nyong i-edit kung paano mag-play yung video. For example, pwede natin nilagyan ng animation. Kung makikita nyo, yung video na to is pag delay natin siya, direct na lumalabas yung mga objects sa video. Pero pag nilagyan natin siya na fade in animation, for example is 10 seconds. Pag play siya, makikita nyo na nagkaroon ng fade in animation yung mga objects. Same apply sa fade out animation. Mag-fade out yung mga objects pag play yung video ay natapos na siya. Dito naman, pwede nyo i-edit yung way ng video sa pag-play. For example, pag chinek ko tong loop until stop, pag play ko yung video ay natapos na siya, uulit lang siya sa umpisa. Diba? Umulit siya. Ngayon naman, pag chinek nyo itong play full screen, automatic na play itong video pag naka full screen na siya or pag preset na yung PowerPoint.
So now, this is how you play the video on PPT. To play the video, the playback must be set to automatically. Then click Shift and F5 or CRT and F5. Or just click the icon here to play the video.
To stop the video, click the ESC button on the keyboard, or you can also click the end show in the lower part of the PowerPoint. Similar to how you end a video, you can also insert audio in the same manner.
today I'll demonstrate to you on how to put the hyperlinking in your PowerPoint. So, ang unang step dito is pupunta kayo sa home. Then, sa home may makita kayong new slide. Then, pipindutin niyo yung baba ng new slide and may makita kayong team doon. Marami siyang team, kaya marami kayong pagpipilian. So, ang step doon naman is if gusto nyong maglagay ng mga images or pictures, pupunta kayo sa insert. Then, hahanapin nyo dun yung pictures. So, pag nahanap nyo yung pictures, i-click nyo yon. Then, pagka-click nyo, may mga lalabas na dun na mga downloads or mga saves pictures nyo. Then, pipili kayo and pipindutin nyo yung pictures na napili nyo. Then, after nun, i-insert nyo na siya. So, lalabas na siya dun sa PowerPoint. And, if want nyo ng shapes na may text, pupunta naman kayo sa shape. Then, maghahanap kayo if anong gusto nyong shape. Then, dun na kayo magta-type ng text na gusto nyo.
The third step is start by writing your text in the slide. The fourth is highlight the text and press right-click link. After that, you will now choose what hyperlink you want to put in the text. Whether it is a web page, slide on the PowerPoint, create a new document, or an email address.
So after that, you will click the place in this document and choose a slide, which is the last slide, and press OK. Then click the file and save it and choose the device that you use. And you name your file. After that, you can save it.